Opposition MLAs attacked the government over 7 lakh square meters of land converted at Quitol in Quepem Taluka, but not a single job has been given to Quepemkars. Government said a holistic approach would be adopted to bring industries to Quitol.
Speaker, sir, we have a Quitol IDC area of almost 8 lakh square meters. There are 16 plots which were been allotted to, in fact, IPB. Speaker, sir, what has happened? People of Quepem constituency need jobs, and the IDC area, Quitol, can provide employment if this plots can be allotted to industries. Unfortunately, the area unutilized because of greed of some leaders. Speaker, sir, my first question is that if IDC is able to attract investors in this plot or not.
की ह्या सरकारान मुख्यमंत्री IPB चेअरमॅन असताना 2019 ते आज मेरेन 7 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन कन्वर्ट केली. आता कित्या खातीर कन्वर्ट केली? जॉब्स क्रिएट करपा खातीर. यू ऑल्सो से एंड आय सिंपथायज विथ यू. यू हॅव टू आन्सर फॉर समथिंग यू हॅव नो कंट्रोल ऑफ. देर आर टू lucrative corporations under you. One is IPB, one is IDC. You are minister, you have to answer for them. But I don't know how much you can control them. My specific question to you, when it comes to Quitol or any future thing, will you prepare an evaluation report to verify projects approved by IDC are in line with the objectives of the investment policy with regards to employment? Because the answers that have been given to us have shown that not a single job is created. But you have converted 7 lakh square meters of land. He has converted when he has become chief minister. But jobs are not created. So in the name of jobs, don't give us bhashan. We like your bhashan, but we want a guarantee whether you will promise the house that you will make an evaluation report. Before giving permission to that project, how many jobs will be created and how many local skill set will be absorbed?
As I said, it is going to be a holistic approach. Meaning what? एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री येता जाल्यार जाय कितली जमीन तांकां जाय ती पळोवया. थोडी उरला जाल्यार फाल्यां सपोज एक टॉय मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग येता विच इज नॉन पोल्युटिंग. आय एम जस्ट गिवींग एग्जांपल ऑर सम अदर सच थिंग. ड्रोन्स थिंगा मॅन्युफॅक्चर जाता, थोडीशी तांकांय दिवपा जाता. सो वी वील कन्सिडर एवरीथींग, बट बाय नो मिन्स वी वील गेट पोल्युटींग इंडस्ट्री and it will be utilized to its best of ability, means in the sense that what best that can come up will come up in Quitol.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.